seventh pay commission is likely to be announced very soon. The time which was to elapse some weeks back, a few more months have been given to the commission, and that it is expected that within a few months or even earlier, the state does not have its own commission. Some states have. Therefore, since the time of Union Territory, we are following this trend of accepting Central Pay Commission's report. Now, question is, present government is bankrupt, and you may know better than me how much money, their resources they have got at their command. I cannot say. At least they don't have funds to meet huge bills of 7th Pay Commission recommendations. Therefore, my appeal to the government is to arrange for the funds. They are asking for smart city, good concept. How much money they will get, one doesn't know. And the process of smart city is not that easy. The BJP leaders were shouting 6 months back, Panjim is declared as smart city. It's still in process. We will be happy if Panjim, some other city, whatever it is declared. But if some BJP leaders would want us to believe that Panji is declared and that Goa is going to get smart city with 500 crores or 5,000 crores, one doesn't know, then we are being fooled. And according to me, no smart city can come without private participation. Government, against even Union government, does not have funds. Who is that private party who is going to fund? Let us be restricting to Goa smart city. That must also be clear. And therefore, what arrangements the central government has made for funding smart cities in the country, especially in Goa? Or are we going to be fooled in the name of smart city?